Hi, I'm Zap Zach here, and we're working with a breadboard here today. It's a solderless board, so we're just connecting in our little resistors and our LED diodes and a capacitor. So right now I have a 9-volt battery, household 9-volt battery. I'm going to connect it, my battery, with my lead to my terminal block, to my top bus bar up top. From there, my buses, I'm jumping to my vertical buses, as you can see. And from there, I connect my resistor. I connect a resistor to the positive side right here, okay? My negative side goes down below onto the negative side. So my resistor is plugged in, and my LED diode has two sides, a long side and a short side. The longer side is your positive side. So I connect my positive side into that channel, and I connect my negative into that channel. And the same thing goes for all sequences in the rest of the lights. So if I go ahead and plug in my load, my power, my service line, being a 9-volt battery, it's illuminated, okay, and you can see it rocking. You see in full power, right? So now if I take off my battery, right, the diodes are still illuminated because of a capacitor, which is right here. And the same thing is with the capacitor. There's a long leg and a short leg. The long leg's your positive, the short leg's your negative. And then my bus over here is just connected from the positive to positive, negative to negative. My resistor's onto the positive side. My LED diode has the long leg in this channel. My short leg is in the negative channel. Same thing with this yellow diode. And so when you're finding out how much resistance you need for how much resistance you need for the circuit to operate properly, you have to consider the milliamps in the diode. So I have a 9-volt battery. These diodes take about, let's say, 3 to 3.2 volts. So 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 times 0.02 is, which is 20 milliamps, is what they're rated for. So I take 6 times 0.02 and I get 300 ohms as a resistance. So I need to find a resistor that has 300 ohms resistance for the battery for the diode to operate properly, proper voltage with the 9-volt battery. That's all I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and list it below, and make sure to like and subscribe on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Once again, Zap Zach, and thanks for watching.